Got my new catch can. It's pretty good CNC machining on it. You can take each individual side off. It's got 3mm hex or Allen bolt. You can take the canister apart. It's empty in there, of course. Still, it's pretty good machining on the threads for what it costs. I mean, got your drain plug down here, which is 9/16. It's got a rubber ring on it. Top section's got AN in, which has got the Brillo pad stuff in it for the filter, and your 10 AN out. So it's got that cavity right there. This is the dipstick. It's 10mm. Just so you can see how much you got in there. I mean, it doesn't have like a level thing on it, but probably would never use that anyway. Just open it and drain it. Yeah, it's got an O-ring here between the two center sections, and there's your screen there that keeps the Brillo pad, I guess, from falling into it. So this would be an out, this would be your in. I might make some changes, but it seems pretty solid for the $100 I spent on it. Fits nicely in the bracket there. It's pretty good.